To be very honest, as soon as I got to know about the scholarship, I was really happy. I had actually gone to my family, friends, and everybody and told them that I got this scholarship. When it comes to family side, I would like to tell you that since I am the eldest kid, and when I go and tell the younger ones that I got a scholarship, that actually makes them believe in me and giving an example for them basically. And when it comes to personal life, it is just giving me more strength and more energy and more motivation to work harder. Thank you.